Okay, guys, so I want to give you an update on my condition and let you know what's going on. First of all, my wife is everything. I'm using this arm a little bit more. I can move the fingers and grab things now, and everything's progressing. But where I can't do things, my wife has been helping me on all the videos. You've seen her hands jump in and do something for me so I don't hurt myself. And I think it's awesome. But lately I've been able to hold a bowl. I've been able to do things. So I'm pretty excited. So everything's coming back to normal. All right, the head's cleared up a little bit. The body's working a little better. Anyway, so let's get into the food part of it all. Today we're talking about Ropot. I know what you're saying. Ropot. I never heard of Ropot. I never heard of Ropot, literally, until they called me and I had to go on the internet and look it up. I'm like, what's a Ropot? They're like, yeah, it's kind of like an Instant Pot, but better. So they sent me one. So I have a beautiful red one here, and it does a million things. It does a ton of stuff. I'll show you on the control panel. But the difference between this and an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker is it says 2 heating units, one on top and one on bottom. So it has dual heating on it, all right? So come on in close, and I'll show you, before we start making the Jamaican jerk chicken, I'll show you what we got on the Ropot so you can see it up close. Okay, this device is incredible. It stir fries, it braises, it pan fries, deep fries, stews and steams, soups, it does desserts, it does a million things, and they're all on their website. You should check it out. As you can see, there's a stir button, and let me show you what the stir button is for. Now I gotta show you, not only does the whole pot come out with a handle, but inside there's a device that spins. You could choose if you want to stir it or you want it to automatically stir every 3 minutes. This device goes round and round. How cool is that? I've never heard of a device. The Robo Stir I've heard of, but that was a failure on our show. This will find out if it keeps the food moving, because you don't want things sticking and burning and all that. So you got the stir button, or you can automatically stir it every 3 minutes. It stirs for 15 seconds. Okay, so let's get started with the Ropot and see if it works. I'm gonna cook some Jamaican jerk wings in this. So most of you know we make our own Jamaican jerk sauce, and we sell this on Amazon Prime so that everybody can get it. But some people around the world can't get it. So I'm gonna show you, all right, if you can get it, go ahead and buy it, because it's really hard to make your own. You can always pour ours out. That's the easy way to do it. Now, if you live somewhere where you can't buy our sauce, this video is for you. So if you can't order our sauce, this is how you can do it yourself. Make a Jamaican jerk seasoning. And it's a dry rub that I'm showing you today. These aren't the exact ingredients in our sauce. We can't tell you what's in our sauce. But this is what our sauce tastes like, a Jamaican jerk flavor. We got allspice. We got a canister of parsley, some thyme. Got some nutmeg, red pepper flakes. Now it asks for sugar. I'm going to replace it with sugar substitute. This one right here, onion powder. This is all stuff you have in your cupboard anyway. Salt, pepper, cayenne. We have cinnamon, smoked paprika I'm using. It asks for paprika. I'm using smoked paprika. We've got garlic powder, and I think that's it. So let's get it all together. All right, well, we have all the seasonings that I just named off in this bowl. It's so beautiful, I'm afraid to mix it. I don't even want to touch it. Here we go, ready? Oh, yuck. So mix all your seasonings together. Just take your time, don't rush. Make sure you get a nice blend. All right, we're gonna put the seasoning in with the chicken wings. We're doing about, what, 12 wings? 12 to 15 wings. If you need more, then make more, okay? We're gonna leave it just like this. I'm gonna shake it up. Now you can put this in the fridge for an hour or 2 hours if you want to marinate it. We're not marinating it today. It's already coated. I'm ready to cook. I don't want to wait any longer than I have to. It's all about eating. Okay, so let's put in about, it asks for 1 teaspoon of oil. That's good. We're gonna dump our chicken wings in. That's it. It says close it up and cook. So we're gonna cook it. It says the function we want is for braising. So we're gonna go function until braise pops up. Power, there we go. Turn the power on. Function, stir fry, saute. Come on. Manual, braise. This. Okay, I want to be really clear. When you open this lid, have a mitt on. Do not do it barehanded like I did a minute ago, because that steam comes up and burns your hand. So you got to have a mitt. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. Let's get that on a plate. And that, my friend, is how quick and easy you make Jamaican jerk wings in the Ropot. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I just licked my finger and my mouth is still on fire. I mean, I licked it a few minutes ago and tasted the seasoning. It's exactly the same type of heat we have in this. So if you like it spicy, you're gonna love Jamaican jerk. I always get the Jamaican jerk sauce when I go to Buffalo Wild Wings. That's what made us do this version, so that you guys can take it home at a better price. All right, it's Caribbean jerk on the menu at Buffalo Wild Wings. It's Jamaican jerk on our bottle and on this chicken. All right, here we go. If I start coughing and burning myself and all that, just go with me, okay? All right, this is my dinner, so I'm gonna go chow down, and I will see you on the next episode of Cooking with Jack.